I don't know how the audio is, everybody, but here we are with the spacers. So I did 15 in the rear and then 12 in the front, and the sport button is active. So I think it's I wanted to, you know, of course, drive it, get it out of the garage and drive it because I think it settles a little bit better with the PASM suspension. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. I think it's growing on me. At first I didn't like it with the spacers, and my first time taking it out with the upgraded fog lights and the LED side markers, we got rid of that amber. I think it's looking pretty wicked outside of the gas station here. And then we have the Morimoto tail lights, and I did the LED rear lights. I'm liking it. I think it's looking better. But anyways, back to the spacers. I think it's looking pretty good. And then we did this other upgrade here on the S version. But so far, I think it's looking pretty good. So yeah, let me know your comments, what you think. Hey, we got a cool Volkswagen back there. But anyways, so that's where we're at. I'm going to drive it and then retorque the specs. It's 96 foot-pounds. I don't know if with spacers you need to go a little tighter, but anyways.